Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing a supplement called Prolong Power, a product that claims to boost male vitality naturally. But is it actually legit or just another scam? Before we dive in, this review is based on my personal research and opinion. I'm not a doctor and this video is not a medical advice. So, according to their official site, prolongpower.com, this supplement is marketed as a natural way to improve performance, energy, and drive using herbal ingredients. They don't sell it on Amazon or any third party platforms, only directly through their website. They also mentioned that it's made in the US in an FDA registered facility, which sounds promising on the surface. Now I ran the website through Scam Advisor, which gave it a 66 out of 100 trust score. Here are the positives. The SSL certificate is valid. DNS filter marks the site as safe, but the negatives raise some eyebrows. The site doesn't get much traffic. It shares a server with other low-rated websites. There are several negative reviews out there, and the domain was registered very recently, which is usually a red flag. I also looked around on Google and honestly, there aren't many credible reviews. Most of what's out there are promotional articles or websites with affiliate links, not actual customer feedback. There's no verified presence on Trustpilot, no major YouTube reviews, and no Reddit threads that give real user experiences. So is Prolonged Power a scam? Right now, I'd say it's in the gray area. It doesn't scream obvious scam, but there are enough red flags to be cautious. If you're thinking about buying, proceed carefully and definitely talk to your doctor first. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.